Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I give you the best news on planet Earth, another premium spoiler. Oh, this is a new variation, a new palette that I know you guys are going to be super excited for. Aren't they going to be so excited about this palette? Yes! So many people were like, you know, meh about the, oh, I guess she's coming up here. A lot of people were a little meh about the conspiracy palette, okay? Which I completely understand. I didn't really care for it that much either. You know, I said that in my last video, but this palette, y'all, is sought out after. People pay way too much money for this palette, you guys. Okay, y'all know what I'm talking about? But anyways, before we get into the video, I would like to say thank you so freaking much, Mercedes. She sent me this photo. It came from a Facebook group. I don't know who shared it, whose box it is, so I can't give them credit. But Mercedes, thank you so freaking much. You made my day, and I know you're gonna make so many other people's day when I show the spoiler. So anyways, you guys, if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart and it would make Miss Eleanor very happy. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. And I don't really feel like editing this, so we're not going to do a transition. So, actually, I'll probably do a transition. Let's just, there we go. So, I do want to mention really quick, as always, I did purchase all 4 of these mystery boxes. We're going to be doing a really big giveaway. There's going to be more than one winner. Y'all know the drill. You know the drill. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get into this. But, again, before we get into it, I just want to share with you that the mailman came and I got my Ariana Grande perfume that was supposed to be here over a week ago, and it smells so good. This is the Sweet Like Candy scent, and it smells so freaking good. And it also came with this free throw blanket, which is so freaking cute. But yeah, I just wanted to mention, oh my god, I just wanted to mention that. Okay, whoa, calm down. Okay, y'all, let's get into the spoilers. So, like I said, Mercedes sent this to me. She's the best. Okay, she is the best. She made my day. Love her so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about what we already know. Green straws. You know. And then she also got the lip gloss. Well, I don't know if this is a girl or a guy. This person got the lip gloss in Wet Peach, which I've seen in a few other boxes. And then she also got, or whoever, I don't know, got the liquid lipstick in Rose Madder, which somebody else got. Oh, excuse me. Somebody else got this exact same variation, but they had the conspiracy palette. Now, any guesses of what palette this is? Just go ahead, leave it down in the comments. I'll wait. It's very exciting. What is a palette that you guys really, really want? I'll wait. Yes, you answered correctly. It is the Thirsty palette. The Thirsty palette is making its rounds in the boxes. I'm so beyond happy. Let me tell you, I sold my palette on Poshmark because I was going through it, okay? I was like, y'all, I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, I'm never going to use it, blah, 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 blah. I am so sad that I got rid of the palette. Though, my palette went to a really good home. It went to somebody that did originally have the Thirsty palette, and they lost it when they moved. So, for that, I'm thankful to have, you know, somebody love the palette. But I want it back. It was my first Jeffree Star purchase. Palette purchase. Actually, no, purchase in general. I didn't buy it. My boyfriend surprised me with it for Christmas of 2019, so only a year ago, and I want the palette back. No, it was Christmas of 2018, but I want the palette back, and I'm so excited, and you guys, I need to know your thoughts and opinions down below. What are your thoughts on this new information that Mercedes has given us? Because I'm dying. I low-key want to like retry the conspiracy palette, but I also want the Thirsty palette back. It's so good. Like, the third shade on the top row was probably my favorite shade out of every eyeshadow shade I own. And then the blue, so freaking good. That first blue, the brightest blue, and then the yellow, so good. I really didn't care about the glitters. I thought they were kind of weird. I didn't really use them, but I want the palette back. Also, speaking of palettes, a lot of people were a little upset about the cremated coming in the Supreme box. Oh, wait, I shouldn't say that in case you guys didn't want spoilers, so don't listen to that. I'm just kidding. It's not coming in that box. I was just kidding. But anyways, I did a look today with the cremated palette that isn't coming in the Supreme at all. No. Yeah. I really like the palette. I know a lot of people said the quality was kind of like garbage and it wasn't the best, yada yada, but I actually really like it. It's one of my favorites. I only have 3 of his palettes in my collection, which is the Blood Money palette, which I did 7 looks on, and every shade was phenomenal. It actually blew me away. I was super impressed. Low-key thought I was gonna hate that palette because I thought the quality might be patchy and stuff, because they are green shadows, a little bit harder to make, but no, every single one was like so freaking good. And then I have the Blood Sugar palette because obviously that's a really good palette, and then the cremated, oh, and then the Jawbreaker palette, I have that too because of all the colors. It's a pretty good palette, though a lot of the shades for me are a little patchy. But anyways, this is my favorite Jeffree Star palette besides the Blood Money palette. Like, I love these gray tones, and I mean, they just blend so well. I used 4 different shades on my eyes. I love it. I love it. Also, I love this little like sweatshirt. It has a full Ouija board on the back. I love it so much. But anyways, I just want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. Like, are you freaking excited? Are you excited? Also, I want to look at this blanket really quick. I know this is like a random video, but like, oh, this is so cute. It has like a rose swirly type pattern. I don't even know if you can see that, but yeah, this is a free blanket, y'all. I'm excited about this blanket, but I'm not gonna keep it in this room because it's white and it's gonna get messed up quick. Oh, you know what, while we're here, we could go ahead and like talk about some more variations, I guess, maybe. I don't know if I want to do like a separate video, but let me just tell you what this other person got. They had gotten, what is it? The beanie, obviously, the Conspiracy palette, Purple Straws, Celebrity Skin, and Spank Me. And then the beanie, obviously, Conspiracy palette, Green Straws, Celebrity Skin, and Candy Drip. And then somebody else got the beanie, Conspiracy palette, Green Straws, Wet Peach, and Rose Madder, like I had mentioned. So, yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do like a full video with like lots and lots of variations if I feel like it, because, you know, whatever. But I'm still sitting here waiting for deluxe spoilers because it's like 2:30 in the afternoon and I'm just like, where are the deluxe spoilers? I'm dying. I need to know. I need to know, especially because they're still available, and after premium spoilers hit, premium sold out. So I have a feeling that once the deluxe is shown, that one is going to be sold out, but so far we're not seeing any spoilers, which makes me very sad. But yeah, like I said a million times, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. You know, I love to hear them. Sorry this video is not edited at all, but I just don't feel like it. I've been just go, and this isn't even today's hair, and I have other videos I want to film today that, you know, I actually want to, like, put a little more effort into. Not that I don't, like, put effort in my videos, but this is just kind of like an update. But anyways, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.